Hey guys, I'm Siddharth Singh. I am a CrossFit coach and an athlete, and I've been doing this for almost 10 years. Thank you for tuning into Fraternity. Now, Fraternity is India's largest health and fitness discovery and subscription platform. To know more about Fraternity, click the link in the description box below. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get your first muscle up. What's up, people? So today we are going to learn how to do a muscle up. What is the muscle up? Check this out. And that, my friend, is a muscle up. So as you can see, this is a highly technical movement, but that doesn't mean you can't do it. Okay? Now, before we even start, there are some prerequisites. If you can do, if you can do 6 strict pull-ups, so that's hanging on the bar, pulling up and down, strict, and 6 strict parallel bar dips. Only if you can do 6 of each should you be trying to do this today. Otherwise, I would recommend you not to try this out. You should work on your strength first, or work on your pulling strength, your pushing strength, and then eventually. Otherwise, your muscles and your shoulders will not be able to take the force that is required to actually go from this position, boom, to this position. If on the other hand, if you can do 6 strict pull-ups and 6 strict dips, you can definitely try this out. Today, I'm going to give you 5 exercises, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are basically technique exercises to eventually get to a muscle up. Okay, so we are going to get to number 1. This is a ring. What we want to do is we want to get into a false grip. Okay, if I hold the ring just from the bottom, this is a normal grip. A false grip is basically this. So I'm basically going to hang from the rings in this particular manner. How? Check this out. So I'm going to keep the ring here, and then it actually goes on top of my wrist. From here, I am going to literally think about holding the ring and actually stay there. Check this out. So those are strict ring pull-ups. That's number one thing that is going to help you build strength and get used to the idea of hanging from rings and actually pulling yourself up. Okay. Now next up, people, we are actually going to get the rings to approximately hip height, and we are actually going to figure out what a muscle up transition is. Check this out. So in order for you to understand where the ring should be, you should actually be able to do this. And my feet are on the ground. Now from here, I'm going to take one leg back. Okay, from here, I basically think about getting the rings very close to each other. So I'm still in control. From here, I'm going to slowly extend back and straighten my arm. I'm going to do the exact opposite thing on the way up. I'm going to pull close to the chest, rings together. From here, I'm going to think about peeling them away and getting into that ring support position. Check this out. Here, extend, straighten the arms, pull, peel away, on top of those rings. Down again, straighten the arms, pull, peel, support. Very important to understand what's actually happening in the muscle up. Now we're going to do a jumping muscle up. So if you notice, I have a bench here. I'm going to get on top of the bench. I'm going to actually use the jump to get into a muscle up. Check this out. So the bench, same false grip, guys. So from here, I'm going to jump. That's your jumping muscle up. We are not going to do the dip. We are just figuring out what happens when we're pulling and getting into that ring support position. You need not extend your arms yet. Next, we are going to learn how to do the straight arm ring support hold. So this is again very important. Again, when you're actually going to be doing the muscle up in the air, you need to be able to have the strength to support your body in a position where your arms are straight. So we are again going to put the rings around hip height, my feet on the ground from here, making sure these straps are not wider than shoulder, they are shoulder width apart. From here, I'm going to simply think about jumping and getting into a straight arm ring support hold. Check this out. From here, I'm going to keep the rings close to the body, pull the shoulders back, look forward, hold. Very important to develop strength in that particular position. It's going to be a ring kip to the hips. So I'm going to actually kip, generate momentum, and think about getting my hips all the way to the rings here. Check this out. So I hand, start kipping, and boom. Ring kip to the hip. So there you have it, guys. That's my guide for you to actually get to a muscle up. Now, what exactly you need to do is written in the description. Do this at least 3 times a week, and do not rush into this. This is a slow process because a lot of things have to happen. Your strength needs to increase, your body needs to get used to a lot of different movements and a lot of different positions and a lot of different transitions happening. So don't rush into it. Just keep it slow and steady, and eventually once you keep doing this, you'll get the idea of what you actually need to get into a muscle up, and you will get your muscle up very soon. Once you do that, please tag us. Thank you for tuning into Fraternity, guys. I really hope and pray that you get your first muscle up. Like, share and subscribe to the Fraternity Fitness channel. Kickstart your fitness journey with Fraternity. Have a great day, guys.